students, Assalamualaikum. I'm Fatema Haque from Baharibari Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to design a social media poster on Canva in a short time. So let's get started. First, open any browser like Chrome, Opera or whichever one you are using and type Canva in the search bar. I already have Canva saved in my browser, so I'll just click and open it directly. As you can see, I have already made one poster and now I'm going to recreate it. First, open a new page, then go to the Elements tab and type Iceland in the search bar. You will see lots of Iceland images appear. Choose one from them, or else you can choose multiple also. Okay, now the next task is to magic grab. Select the image, go to the edit menu and click on the magic grab option. You can either click to the automatically grab the image or use the brush tool to manually select the area. Now here it is. We have separated the background from the other elements. Next, go to the edit option again and select magic expand and expand the whole image. Just wait a moment for the result to load. Choose one image and click on done. Now rearrange the main elements on your design to improve the layout and make it look more balanced. To make it perfect, I'm rechecking the design multiple times and using the position option to align everything precisely. Please ignore my English and concentrate to my design only. Too much sound pollution outside. Now go to the element option again and search the 3D location. Here you can see a lot of 3D location. Choose one, flip it, make it small and place it behind the hill. Next, time to add an airplane. Sorry, airplane. I'm using image from Pinterest. I already have one, so I'll upload it to Canva. After uploading, remove the background and duplicate the airplane. Place one behind the 3D location. And another one, cut a little bit from the right side that it looks like the airplane is flying through the location. You can see the result. Ignore the sound pollution, please. And from elements, I'm using birds and cloud. See how I am sending the clouds behind the birds that bird can see properly. Now go to the text option and select a font. Type your text and change the color. I choose yellow because it's eye-catching against a red color. Then pick a font style. I went with a brush font for more creative look. You can add your other text, contact number, website, whatever you want actually. Here I'm using a little bit effect for a more creative look. I'm having a design already, so I'm just going copy to save time. Now go to the elements option again and search coconut leaves. You can search in graphics and also photos option. There are a lot of options available. Here I choose this one and remove background. Little bit rotate. Go to the edit option and choose the blur. Blur the whole image 50 or 60%. Make it duplicate and use in four corners. Flip where you need it. You can make it bigger and smaller as per your design. In the text group that I can bring it forward. Here it is, already done. Now I want to add extra thing, that is a shadow. Actually, it's not necessary here, but if I use means, it will look more creative. The text will affect more actually. Which, no, it's not perfect. Yeah, I can use this one. Let's try. Send backward, backward. Perfect. Final look. You can see that it's looking like a professional. Easily I made it download as PNG format. Choose your size and paste. If we want to do this thing in Photoshop, then it will take more time. You can use Canva for this. Thank you so much. আল্লাহ হাফেজ। টেক কেয়ার।